Yo, what is going on? Today we're looking at a viewer requested video. This is ticker symbol Aspen. Well, ticker symbol is ASPN, but the company is called Aspen Aerogels. Is the stock worth $7.60? We're gonna run my proprietary scanner and see. We're gonna do some advanced charting as well. Pretty, pretty sure I've done this one before. Oh, that is dirty. Oh. 65 to 6 to 30 to about $6. Wow. We do know this is volatile. While we're here, we're just gonna do this. Like, just come on, we gotta do it. Wow. That is dear Tay. Like right there. Yeah. Like that is just dear Tay. This is dirty too. Joe Dear Tay. Joe Dirt. This is just gnarly. Gnarly. I'm wondering if the company added more shares to the pool. Oh, look at that. They did. They did. Sales, beautiful. That is fantastic. That is fantastic. 2021, again, this was a very momentum-based stock because it went bonkers in 2021. They had 121 million in sales. Now they're at more than triple, and the stock is back at low levels. So there is some disconnect with the stock. We're going to dig in as data forensics and see what the stock is worth and where we can find support. Um, Gosh, I think I remember drawing this, and it was before. It was probably in August of last year, last summer. I think I said the stock was probably going to come back to 17 or something. People probably just roasted me like, "You're wrong. You're an idiot." Well, well, okay, let's just dive in. This is beautiful, by the way. Beautiful, beautiful, not good. When the company adds more shares to the pool, it just devalues what's already existing. It sucks. Gross margins 40%. That's amazing. Quick ratios over 3. They have little debt. They're addressing it. EPS this year 309%. That sounds attractive. Yeah, let's just dive in. Not there. Here. I'm not going to include the market cap because it is not $1 billion. They are they are profitable, 13,380,000. Sales 452,700,000. All right. Going on down, going on down, going on down. Just checking. All right. Q4 of this year, 123 million. Q4 last year, 84. Beautiful. Q3 2024, 117. Q3 60. Beautiful. 117 to 40. They are just smashing year over year revs. Good for them. Gross margins have been high 30. Ooh, low. I mean, their gross margins are improving overall. No real red flags here other than just the commentary that I always say. If the stock is undervalued, we usually see people buying. If it's overvalued, we usually see selling. Again, no real red flags here. Balance sheet, let's continue our calculation. Calculation. Cash, 221,280,000. Very cool. Debt, 170 million. 170,330,000. Okay, now let's just do some review. Total assets 895, total liabilities 280. Assets dwarf liabilities about 3 to 1, which is fantastic. That's beautiful. Cash, they're growing their cash. Good for them. Assets going up, liabilities barely going up. I think they found their secret sauce. It feels like it. This is looking really good. Okay. Now we're gonna do shares outstanding 82,040,000. Potential stock price of $6.30. However, if we do include the market cap, typically I exclude the market cap, and it's this calculation's made for like micro cap companies that are like your next Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft that came from a garage. I don't know. I guess Tesla came from a garage because they make cars in a garage. But typically we don't account for it. But this is worst case scenario 630, and then probably best case scenario is going to be this 12 $13.91. Analysts have it at $16. I say the trend is your friend until the end. This trend, we have to get to we have to at least get to 620. There was so much selling the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. What? What in the world? It doesn't mean it's a bad company, it's just the trend. Like, come on. Stock used to be $1.60. Yeah, this thing is like, this thing's gonna fall out. Okay, like that is, what's like the base channel we want to look at? Probably right there. Yeah, right there. That's beautiful. This is our zone of comfortability. We like being on the way up here. Our current path, this is like just, if you've ever heard of a falling knife, this is a falling knife. We're literally from $30, now it's probably going to go down to 636. But it is exactly sitting perfectly like Humpty Dumpty on the wall. It's sitting perfectly on the support. I would not be surprised if we see 650 again. In fact, I encourage it because that gives people like you and me chances to get in. Let's see what institutions and hedge funds are doing. I'm yawning. Why am I yawning? I'm tired. I don't know. Okay. Institutions, 89%. That's old data, new data, 103. Okay. Institutions are making some moves here. FMR decreased millions of shares. Vanguard reiterated, George reiterated, Wood River Capital sold late 2024, and BlackRock added 3 million shares in early 2024. Oof, ouch. Where were they in 2024? Early 2024? Vanguard got in probably like $11 to $16. Not horrible, but they went on the roller coaster of 11 to 16 to 30 and now back down to 7. So it's all fun and games until you need the cash. Okay. All right. Yeah, this is definitely a wait and see. This good, like amazing support here at 634. So I would at least wait till 634. We might see a little under if there is a whiplash candle. I mean, this thing's just been pummeling downward. So why not wait? Just let it do its thing. This is fantastic. Obviously, this is fantastic. This is not good, but they do what they got to do. So overall, I'll wait till 630. It definitely can probably retrace and get to 33 and 60 in the future. Just not in the next, I would say in the next 5, 6 years, possibly. It's gonna be a nice little area also down here. This thing could just also trace sideways for the next few years, but the company is doing well, so or they're appearing to be doing well. So potential dip opportunity at 6. If you can stomach volatility, give it a try. Um, Otherwise, I'm on the side for this one. Just want to wait it out. Yeah, it's been a roller coaster for sure. If you've been in this one since, gosh, I don't even know. I don't even know. Like it was 160 and then 30, now back to 6. So just patience with this one. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.